Namaste, I am Chike Sherpa, speaking on behalf of Nagarjuna Institute of Buddhist Studies. Nagarjuna Institute of Buddhist Study was formed in 1980 by late Professor Mr. Minbadur Shakya, and now it's running by Milan Shakya. And Nagarjuna Institute of Buddhist Study has contributed a lot in the field of Buddhism, and also this institute helps many poor people, poor families, low-income people, disabled, and those orphans. We have worked in 2015 that a massive earthquake hit Nepal, and they lost many families members and loved one or dear one, and at that times, and the tough time, help of Nagarjuna Institute Buddhist Study that formed one organization named the Great Compassion Project, and we worked in that under that project, and we distributed a lot of rice, pulses, and vegetables in the village areas, and also the some parts of Kamanji Valley. And now the COVID, because of the COVID-19, the whole entire world is shattering and is scared from this disease and this virus. So most of the countries are locked down. Here in Nepal, the Nepal is also locked down. So almost 2 months now. So the life become very tough and very difficult, especially for those lower income and poor families. And so that's why we just target for the lower income or poor families to distribute some foods or vegetables. So the Nagarjuna Institute of Buddhist Studies, the Great Compassion Project, has helped those poor family, and we have distributed more than 15 families the food, and also the rice, pulses, and vegetables. And some places we distributed the mask and sanitizer also, but the most of them are they are badly need the food. So that's why we distributed the food in 2 times around the Kathmandu Valley, here in Bodha or Zorpati or Narantar or Gokarna or other places. And also we distributed the water, drinking water, because of the scarcity of waters. Now this is in the summer season, there is some the water problems. Also there is scarcity of water, so that's why we distributed a few places also the drinking water. And thank you very much for all the sponsors and donors who are watching us. That we will be continuing also in future to helping the people, those needed people, especially orphans and poor families and disabled people, handicapped people. And this time our team did a very good job. So, our entire teams worked very hard, and they did the great jobs. So thank you very much. And also the Mr. Milan Shakya, the Professor Milan Shakya, we are working as a huge or massive translation called the Prajna Paramita of 16 volumes into Nepali. So that's why it's a very tough job. And also now the Milan Shakya and myself is working together for many years in field of translation field. And this time we are very happy to serve the people, to serve the poor people, so serve the handicapped or the orphans. So it gives us great joys and pleasures. And those donors and sponsors, thank you very much. And we also dedicate your wholesome deeds or your dharma deeds, and as a dedication, we pray for triple gems, that for your peace, prosperity, and happiness. And thank you very much. Thank you for joining us, and all the teams. Thank you very much. All the teams we have worked very hard there, and also now it's very difficult to go outside because all are in home quarantine. So that's why it's very difficult. In this difficult situation, also we went some for families door to door to offer some food or vegetables, but very few people were offering. There are still number of people are still they badly need the food, vegetables and waters. In future we will also work for that. If all the donors and all the sponsors are interested, we will be working and continuously even in the future. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching this movie, and thank you for joining us. See you again, and Buddha bless you. Thank you very much. Namaste.